Hello viewers, today we are talk about Lenore Finney. Lenore Finney, a groundbreaking artist whose work defied easy characterization, was born on 30th August 1907 in Argentina. However, her roots and significant formative years are closely tied to Trieste, Italy, where she moved with her mother after her parents separated. Finney's childhood was marked by an advertiser spirit and an early fascination with art, literature, and mythology elements that profoundly influenced her life's work. Finney's early exposure to art came through the rich culture environment of Trieste, a city that blended Italian, Slavic, and Austrian influence. This cosmopolitan backdrop provided her with a diverse artistic plate by her teen years. She had already begun to engage deeply with paintings, even thought she had a performer training. Her innate talent and curiosity led her to explore various artistic styles, from Renaissance art to the avant-garde movement of her time. In the late 1920s, Finney moved to Milan, where he became part of vibrant artistic circle that included the Italian futures. However, it was her relocation to Paris in 1931 that marked the true beginning of her professional career. Paris, the epicenter of the art world at the time, offered her unparalleled opportunities to interact with other artists, writers, and intellectuals. She quickly became associated with the Surrealist movement, although she never fully embraced the label. Her association with permanent figures like Max Ernst, Salvador Dali, and Andre Breton helped her to refine her unique style. Finney's art characterized by its fascination, fantastical elements, intricate detail, and an often erotic and enigmatic quality. Her paintings frequently explore themes of female identity, sexuality, and power, challenging traditional representation of women in art. Unlike many of her male contemporaries in Surrealists, who often depicted women as muse of objects of desire, Finney's work plays women in powerful central roles. Her figures are commanding and self assured, often depicted in mythological or dreamlike sensors that blur the lines between reality and fantasy. One of Finney's most famous work, The Shepherdess of the Sphinx, 1941, exemplify her desensitive style. The painting features a cultural female figure surrounded by physics, making elements of ancient mythology with the surreal, almost ethereal ambience. His work, like many others, showcases her ability to wear complex narratives that are both visually captivating and intellectually provocative. Beyond painting, Finney was prolific illustrator, designer, and writer. She designed, customized, and sets for their and belts, including production by Federico Fellini and George Blanche. Her foray into fashion saw collaboration with renowned designers like Elsa. Finney's versatility extended to her writing with works such as Rogomalic, a surrealist novel that future exemplifies her creative powers. Despite her success, Finney's reminded us somewhat enigmatic figure, often sh- shunning to the limelight and maintaining a scene of mystery about her personal life. She lived in a large Persian apartment filled with cars, which she adored and often featured in her work. Her personal style was as sensitive as her art, characterized by flamboyant clothing and a dramatic presence. Lenore Finney's legacy, that of a fiercely independent and innovative artist who refused to be constrained by conventional boundaries. Her work continued to be celebrated for its originality, depth, and her powerful portrayal of female strength and sexuality. She died on 18 January 1996 in Paris, leaving behind a body of work that remains influential and admired. Finney's contribution to the art world is a testament to her unique vision and enduring impact on how women are represented in art. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.